Hi guys, welcome to my another video from the Tech Guy. This is Harsh and this video is related to Windows 10 tips and tricks. So all of us we love to install new apps, softwares in our PC to enhance the productivity and make our system powerful. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make use of the Microsoft Power Twice on your Windows 10. So Microsoft Power Twice, it is having a lots of powerful utilities and features available to enhance your system with greatest productivity, and it should be present in the Windows 10, but it is not there, so don't worry. So after watching this video you will be able to see the best function and you will able to use the Power Twice application. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to install this application in your PC. It is very easy and easy to install. So you can see this is this is the website link, and the link is given in the video description. So go here and open that link. This is the GitHub page, and here you can see there is an option release 0.37.2, and now you have to come here, and in the assets you can see there is an option setup. So click on this and install in your system. So I have already installed in my system, so let me open it. So you can see this is the Power Twice and I have opened. So yeah, you can also open it from in the taskbar. Now this is the preview of the Power Twice application. You can see there are many functions. So step by step we will see all of these functions. So first tool, you can see there is a option color picker. So click on this, and this is the universal color picker. So now, so if you want to see your area in detail, just scroll up your mouse and zoom in. I'm showing you how to do this. This is the shortcut Win Shift plus C. So I'm showing you. Let's minimize this and type that Win Shift and C, and you can see there is a color picker in your screen. Now you have to hover your mouse cursor over the color. Let's see, I am hovering my mouse cursor. You can see this is the color. So if you want to zoom out this, so in your mouse there will be a scroll button, so zoom out this. You can see the color code is showing to you, and how much wonderful is this tool. So if you want this color codes, then left click on your mouse and you can see it has given us the hex code and RGB value. So copy this and use in your own. So if you also want to use this in the pictures, so click on any of your pictures, and I am showing you the shortcut trick. So use this shortcut Windows Shift and C. You can see in my picture this color code is showing, so zoom out this and you can see this is the hex code. You can copy your own color and this will be stored in your clipboard. So how beauty is this? So this is really good for everyone, those who are a front-end designer or graphics developer. So this is about color picker. Now the one of the best features of this Power Twice is fancy zones. You can see there is option fancy zones, so click on this. So with fancy zones you can define your zones for your apps and softwares. You can select custom layouts or you can make your own layout. So you can see there is a shortcut Win Shift and that symbol. So you can see there is option launch layout editor, and I am showing you this is the editor. You can select your own layouts here. This is the great tools for multitasking. So I am showing you how to use this. So by minimizing this, and you can see these are the options. Let's say I want these pictures on this tab, so minimize your picture, and you can see now I am showing you, and hold down your shift key, and you can see we have the options available in the background where you want to place these files in your layout. So I am going to select this third option. So you can see we have successfully set our layout in the third zone. Okay, so another there is the option you can see. I am setting up, so minimize your tab and hold down your shift key, and it will give you the background option, and you can see I have set this, and you can see, and let's say if you want to minimize this, and that same process, hold down your shift key and it will in the first step. So you can see how we set up these fancy zones. Now one by one you can go in any of your tab and use. So how beautiful, this is the great tool for multitasking. You can see I am in this gallery tab, I am here in the browser tab, and I am in my pictures. So this is the fancy zone tool you can see here. The next tool is that the file explorer adds on. So this is not the useful for us, it adds an extra functionality to our folder, allowing you to preview more file in your pane. This is not useful for us, so we will leave this, and now move to the great tool, that is image resizer. So this is very useful, the tool that every user wants to use. So it is the basically it is the setup of your size extension for your image. You can see there are different sizes. So I am showing you how to do this. So let's go any on of your image folder. I am going this here, and you can see I am selected this. So now right click on your image, and you will be see there is an option that is click resize pixels. So click on this, and it will take you to this window, and you can see now you can here select predefined sizes and set your custom resolutions here. It is very useful tool nowadays. You can say I want to select medium in this pixel, in large, in 4, or also I can set up custom pixels in that. So by this process you can set your image size in pixels and resize it. So this is the image resizer tool. Now moving to the next, that is keyboard manager. So keyboard manager, it allows you to customize your keyboard by remapping your keys. So you can remap your key to create your own shortcut keys. So it is very useful nowadays. So I am showing you how to remap. So you can see there is option remap a key. Click on this, and here you can see there is a plus option, so click on this. So and in the type option, let's say you want to copy your anything by pressing the word A. So I am showing you here we have to now press a key. So let's say I am pressing the key A. Let's press the key A. Okay, and then OK. Now we have pressed a key A. So now we have to select what we want to perform action in this selected key A. So let's say we want to copy anything by pressing the A. So in the type you can there option map to, so you type Control C. Okay, now OK this. So here after applying these settings, and if you will press your A button, then by pressing A your files will all be copied. So by this process you can add multiple keys and remap your key. So this is the keyboard manager. Now the next tool is that is power rename. It is also a very good tool for someone who want to rename multiple files. So it allows you to search and replace your all the files. So I am showing you how to do this. Let's open any of your folder. Let's say I am opening this screenshot. I am having multiple screenshots. So if you want to rename all of this screenshot in single way, so I am showing you how to do this. So select all screenshots and right click option, and now you can see there is a option power rename, you can see. So click on this, and here you can see what you want to search for and what you want to replace with. So I am searching for, let's say, PNG. Okay, and if I want to replace with another, so let's say I want to replace all these screenshots with JPG. You can see here in the all screenshots, the extension is .jpg applied in just a single way. So how much handy is this, you can see. And now if we click this rename option, so it will rename all the screenshots with JPG format. So by this process you can use this power rename tools in this Power Toy. Now the another tool is that is Power Twice Run. So you can use this as this is very useful and one of my favorite tools. You can trigger it by clicking, there is an option, you can see Alt plus space. So I am showing you how to do this. So minimize this and press your Alt and space key. Yes, you can see here this is a box, and here you can type whatever you want to search, a file, a folder, something on the web, any types of mathematics calculation. So I am showing you, let's say I want to search any project. You can see these projects are showing here, and let's say I want to open any of the applications, Paint, and let's say I want to calculate anything. So 2 4 plus 4, you can see 8 is showing in my screen, and this is one of my favorite tools to use. So now moving to the last tool, that is shortcut guide. So it is basically a shortcut guide that this will show you the available shortcuts on the desktop. I am showing you. So press on your Windows button, holdly. So I am pressing it, and you can see this will show you the available shortcuts on the desktop. So this is the shortcut guide of this app. So that's it guys. So we have come to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tips and tricks like this. I will see you in the next video.